Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the now latest leaks about the upcoming Redmi K40 series. The Redmi K40 Pro will have the Snapdragon latest chipset, the 888 chipset, and the non-Pro K40 gets the 870 chipset. The Redmi K40 and a K40 Pro will be unveiled on this month, February 25. That's a long time to wait for the specs. What does the Pro have that the non-Pro does not? Well, these leaked screenshot of this about screen answer that in detail. Both phones will have a 6.81-inch AMOLED screen with a 1440p plus resolution. Xiaomi has already officially confirmed that they used the same E4 luminous material as the Mi i11, so this is a quite possible to the exact same panel with a 120Hz and the HDR10 plus support. Now for the difference, the Redmi K40 Pro will be equipped with the Snapdragon 888 chipset, while the non-Pro phone, the Redmi K40, use the Snapdragon 870 and overclocked 865 chipset. As for the teased Dimensity 1200 version, that will probably be called the Redmi K40S. Back to the Pro versus the non-Pro. The Pro will have up to 12 gigs of RAM, likely bigger storage. Option 2, though the exact configuration are not yet clear. The Pro battery will be larger as a 5000 mAh versus the non-Pro has a 4500 mAh battery. Both phones will have a 108 megapixel main camera. However, the ultra wide or a telephoto module will be different. The Pro has a 13 plus 5 megapixel, the non-Pro has a 8 plus 5 megapixel. It's not clear which resolution goes with which lens. Both models will have the same 30 megapixel selfie camera. Xiaomi teased the Redmi K40 Pro will start Chinese yuan 3000 and the K40 should cost less than that, and we suspect that the K40S will be the cheapest of these three phones. The latest rumors specification about the upcoming Redmi K40 Pro, it will come in a 6.81-inch 1440p by 3200 pixel 108 megapixel camera, 4K recording, 12 gigs of RAM. Maybe it will record 8K at 30 fps video, but 4K is a confirm, and it has a 5000 mAh battery, fast charging 33 volt with 2 or maybe 3 colors. And this is the latest report about the upcoming Redmi K40. The Adreno 660 will be equipped with the latest Snapdragon 888 chipset, 5nm, 2.84 GHz, Carrier 680. So this is the latest news about the upcoming Redmi K40 Pro. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out and bye.